click PWD. Oh, printing, that's what the P stands for. Hello, welcome back. I'm here to explain to you how to upload a project onto GitHub. It's the only way I know how. It's the easiest way I know how. So I hope you tag along and find out how to upload a project onto GitHub from your local computer. So I'm trying to upload a project from my local files up onto GitHub. And I've tried it several times, and every time I try it, I get stuck. Main point is I want to get this up onto GitHub, which I had first notes. That didn't work, so I'm moving on to my second set of notes. And what I did is I had a file saved like in my documents, like hidden, but to make it easier, I just moved it onto my desktop right here, personal website memo. So what I'm going to do first is open my terminal, and that looks like this here, terminal. So I open up my terminal, which is the same thing as your command line, and there's like 5 other names for it, which is confusing in and of itself. Let me clear this out by literally typing in clear. What I'm going to do on my terminal is click PWD. Oh, printing, that's what the P stands for. Print working directory, which basically just tells you which directory you're in. So like my goal right now is to get into this folder. Where was I? I want to get into my desktop. So I do CD to desktop, enter. If I do PWD again, it says, ta-da, desktop. So now I want to do ls just to see what's in my desktop, and everything that I see on my desktop here, I should see right here, which I do. So now I want to change directory into that folder. So I do CD personal, and if it's like this far long, and it's the only one that starts with those letters, if I hit tab, it auto completes it. Perfect. So I'm in the right folder. Now that I'm in the right folder, I can go here and click new repository. And it should give me yes. Okay. So there's basically instructions right here. So what I want is to initialize the project. Copy the first 2 lines, go to my terminal, paste, hit enter, right? So once we have that done, I'm going to do a git status to make sure that's what happened. That's true. So then
what happens?
I'm going to do git add dot, and then git commit. Yes, now I should be able to add these last 2, copy, paste, hit enter. Oh, there it is. Okay, now I'm going to do git status. The branch is up to date. So if I go here and refresh this page,
It worked.
So I'm going to test it out by opening this folder, which I have here. And I'm going to drag my index file onto my text editor here, and I'm going to change the title to this. Nemo's website. And then I save it. So now I can go back in here and say git add dot git commit, and then my message, and then git push view origin master, basically saying that all the changes I've made, I'm pushing it onto GitHub. Now, if I refresh this, it should, ta-da, changed website title 18 seconds ago. Success. I did it. That's it. I'm going to keep uploading projects over and over again until I get the hang of it, and I'll leave notes on how to do this down here. Hey guys, I'm also a learner, so if you have any better ways or easier ways of doing this, please leave them in the comments below. This is just a means for me to upload my progress and then hopefully help those that get stuck in the same places that I got stuck. So if you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.